Placement Acer laptop version 3-571-6897, manufacturing date December 2012. To remove the LCD screen, you have to remove the cover surrounding the screen, which is clipped into the frame. Then there's 6 screws, 3 on the left side and 3 on the right side, that you have to remove. Then the screen will be loose. You have to disconnect the ribbon cable attached to the LCD. 3 screws on the right and 3 on the left. That will remove the entire screen. This is the back of the screen. That's where the ribbon cable plugs into. You secure it with tape. Do not touch the areas where it says do not touch. Ensure that the battery is removed during the repair. To install the new screen, you go in reversed order. Install the cable on the back of the LCD. Mount the LCD back on the frame with the 6 screws. Reinstall the cover that snaps into the frame. Test the screen and everything worked fine. Thank you for listening.